Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about finding inverse of a matrix. Today we shall discuss some more problems based on inverse. Let us discuss the fourth problem. This is fifth problem. 2, 1, 2. Find the inverse of 2, 1, 2. 1 0 1 2 2 1. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. Let A is equal to 2 1 2 1 0 1 2 2 1. First of all, we have to find the determinant of this matrix. Determinant of A, plus minus plus 2 into, close this column, close this row, AD minus BC you have to do, 0 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 2, plus 2 into 2 minus 0. So that is equal to 2 into 2 minus 0, okay, 2 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into 2. This is minus 4 plus 1 plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Determinant of A is 1. Once you got the determinant, next go for finding cofactorized matrix of A. Cofactorized matrix of A. What do you do for finding cofactorized matrix? Put plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is how you find out the cofactorized matrix. 2. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 2. That is minus 2. Close for 1. Close this column, close this row. 1 into 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1. For this element, close this column, close this row. 2 minus 0, that is 2. For 1, close this column, close this row. 1 minus 4, minus 3. For 0, close this column, close this row. 2 minus 4, minus 2. For 1, close this column, close this row. 4 minus 2 is 2. For this element, close this column, close this row. 1 minus 0, 1. For 2, close this row, close this column. 2 minus 2, 0. For this one, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2, 1, 2, 3 minus 2, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1. This is the cofactorized matrix of A. We have to find adjoint of A is equal to transpose of a cofactorized matrix. How to do the transpose? You have to write columns as rows, or you can write rows as columns. So both are same. I am writing columns as rows, so you get minus 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, minus 1. So this is adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Det A is 1. Adjoint of A is minus 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, minus 1. So this is what is the inverse of the given matrix. Let us find inverse of some more matrices. if A is equal to A plus IB, C plus ID, minus C plus ID, A minus IB, and A square plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 1. Find A inverse. You have to find A inverse. First of all, to find A inverse, you have to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to A plus IB into A minus IB minus C plus ID into minus C plus ID. AD minus BC. That is A square plus B square minus C plus ID into, here I will write C minus ID. That is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus D square, which is equal to 1. So det A value is equal to 1. Given matrix A is equal to A plus IB, C plus ID, minus C plus ID, A minus IB. Adjoint of A. How to get adjoint of A? Exchange the position of these two elements and you have to take minus for these two elements. So how do you do it? A minus IB, here you will write A plus IB, here you will take negative of this matrix, that is minus C minus ID, C minus ID. This is what is the adjoint of A. Then A inverse will be adjoint A by det A. That is equal to 1 by 1 into A minus IB, A plus IB, minus C minus ID, C minus ID, that is equal to A minus IB minus C minus ID, C minus ID, A plus IB. This is how you find the inverse of this matrix. Let us discuss the next problem. Seventh one, if ABC is not equal to 0, find the inverse of matrix A00, 0B0, 00C. You have to find the inverse of this matrix. First of all, we will find the determinant, then adjoint, then inverse. Let matrix A is equal to A00, 0B0, 00C. Determinant of A, put plus minus plus. A into BC minus 0, minus 0 into 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, plus 0 into, close this column, close this row, 0 minus 0, that is equal to ABC. So you got determinant of A to be ABC. Next we have to find cofactorized matrix of A. Cofactorized matrix of A. For that you have to put plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. And the first one, close this column, close this row, you have BC minus 0. So here you get BC. Next, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 0 is 0. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, close this column, close this row. You get, what do you get? If you are choosing this one, close this column, close this row, you get 0 minus 0. So here also you get 0. Here, this one, if you are closing this, close this column, close this row, you get AC minus 0. That is AC. Here, close this column, close this row, you get 0 minus 0, 0. Next, plus. Close this column, close this row, you get 0 minus 0, 0. Next, you have to close this column, close this row, you get 0 minus 0. For this element, close this column, close this row, you have AB minus 0. So you get AB here. So cofactorized matrix is equal to BC 0 0, 0 AC 0, 0 0 AB. How to find adjoint A? You have to do transpose. Adjoint of A is equal to BC 0 0, 0 AC 0. Columns I am writing as rows. BC 0 0, 0 AC 0, 0 0, 0 0 AB. This is what is adjoint of A. What is A inverse? Adjoint A by det A. That is 1 by ABC into BC 0 0, 0 AC 0, 0 0 AB. Take this inside, you get BC by ABC 0 0, 0 AC by ABC 0, 0 0 AB by ABC, which is 1 by A 0 0, 0 1 by B 0, 0 0 1 by C. This is what is the inverse of the matrix. So A inverse is equal to 1 by A 0 0, 0 1 by C 0, 0 0 1 by C. We will discuss the next problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Eighth one. If 3A is equal to 1 2 2, 2 1 minus 2, minus 2 2, minus 1, then show that A inverse is equal to A transpose. Now, what is given to you? Given 3A is equal to 1 2 2, 2 1 minus 2, minus 2 2, minus 1. Now, what is A equal to? 1 by 3 into 1 2 2, 2 1 minus 2, minus 2 2, minus 1. What is A transpose? 1 by 3 into 1 2 minus 2, 2 1 2, 2 minus 2, minus 1. This is what is A transpose. If we are able to prove A into A transpose is equal to I, then A inverse is equal to A transpose. So now let us consider A into A transpose. A into A transpose. A transpose. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. 1 2 2. 2 1 minus 2. Minus 2 2 minus 1. 1 2 minus 2. 2 1 2. 2 minus 2 minus 1. We have to multiply these two. We have to get a identity matrix. Let us check for identity matrix. How to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. That is how we have to multiply. See here, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Next, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. We have no much place here. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. Next, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1. Right. Next, minus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2. Minus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Let us check. 1 by 9 into, to add this 1 4 4, that is 9. 2 2 minus 4, 0. Minus 2 plus 4 minus 2, 0. 2 2 minus 4, 0. 2 4 1 4, 9. Minus 4 2 2, 0. Minus 2 4 minus 2, 0. Minus 4 2 2, 0. 4 4 1, 9. Take this 9 inside. What do you get? Get 9 by 9, 0 0. 0 9 by 9, 0. 0 0 9 by 9, which is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is identity matrix. We got A into A transpose as I. This implies A inverse is equal to A transpose. This is what you have to prove. That's all about today's class, children. We shall discuss in the next class.